Hello, here's the first update on my Land Rover. We're going to be fixing the frame this winter and also the bulkhead. I just pulled the fenders off. I got the radiator assembly with the headlights, everything all taken off. That's real heavy. Front wheels, front apron. And now for the rust repair, it's going to be they call the dumb irons down on the end. This Crossmember, which is pretty crusty down underneath. And over to here to the bulkhead. Going to be fixing, get new buckets, Footwell buckets and door pillar and everything. And welding all that in. Also plan on doing a wiring, making a new wiring harness for the headlights, the horns and everything. This side. This door actually stays on when you open it. The other door falls right off. But I've already done and put a new master cylinder, brake cylinder, clutch master cylinder, new filters, rebuilt pump, diesel pump, upgraded parallel glow plugs, and she runs perfect. So next thing to do is to get all this rust fixed.